The Meross Smart Thermostat MTS100 offers seamless integration with various smart home platforms, including Apple Home, Amazon Alexa, and Google Assistant, thanks to its Matter compatibility. This thermostat is designed for easy DIY installation, allowing users to set it up in less than 30 minutes with the help of the Meross app's setup wizard. With its smart scheduling feature, the thermostat can maintain your desired home temperature even when disconnected from Wi-Fi, providing comfort and convenience. The Meross Smart Thermostat also contributes to energy savings by allowing you to track heating and cooling usage through the app, helping conserve resources and reduce costs. On-the-go control is made possible with the Smart app, enabling you to monitor and adjust your home's climate settings from anywhere at any time. You can have peace of mind with smart alerts that notify you of filter life, system malfunctions, and long-term operation, ensuring your HVAC system runs smoothly.